Assalamu alaikum. The subject of the talk is film coating processes. Now I would like to introduce my group members Yazdan Ali, Javeria Nasir, Laiba Amaan, Ghania Zafar, and Ruquiya Moosa. Over the next, we are going to discuss following topics in our presentation: film coating, types of film coating, importance of film coating, problems of film coating, which will be followed by equipments of film coating. Beginning with the film coating of tablets, it is a pharmaceutical process that involves applying a thin layer of a polymeric substance onto the surface of tablets. The examples of film coated tablets are erythromycin, amitriptyline, diclofenac, potassium, and valsartan. The primary purpose of film coating is to improve the appearance, taste, and stability of the product.
Types of film coating. Film coating may be of certain types, but here we are going to discuss two types of film coating: immediate release film coating and modified release film coating. Immediate release film coating is also known as non functional coatings. It is usually soluble in water. They are referred as thin layer of pharmaceutical coating that is applied to the oral dosage form. This coating usually dissolves rapidly when the medication is ingested and they has a quick release. While the modified release film coating are also called as functional coatings. They are referred by a term called resto resistant. They are soluble in water at the pH values of exceed 5 to 6. Modified release film coating has a delayed or prolonged release of the active ingredient. So the basic difference between both of them is that the immediate release film coating has rapid release of active ingredient, while the modified release film coating has a prolonged or intentionally slowed down release of active ingredient.
इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फिल्म कोटिंग टैबलेट जो होते हैं डिज़ाइन होती है डिसइंटीग्रेट एक्सपोज करती है को टैबलेट को डिजाइन लोकेशन पे गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक्ट पे द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्म कोटिंग सिंपलर होता है इजी टू ऑटोमेट होता है ग्लॉसी अपीयरेंस होता है इंक्रीज करता है शेल लाइफ को माइक्रोबियल कंटामिनेशन को दूर रख करके मॉइस्चर इन्वॉल्वमेंट को अवॉइड करता है किस तरह नॉन एक्वा सॉल्वेंट यूज करके इट हैज बीन फॉर्मुलेटेड यूज डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स सच एज कंट्रोल रिलीज गैस्ट्रिक फिल्म सस्टेन रिलीज फिल्म कोटेड ड्यू टू विच एप्लीकेशन जो होते हैं अब्रॉड रेंजेस होते हैं प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्म कोटिंग single stage process will involve spray and coating solution. The solution is spray in the rotating tablet bed followed by drying which facilitate करता है removal of solvent leaving behind thin film coated material around each tablet. Now further proceeding the topic equipment used in film coating: standard pen coater, perforated pen coater, fluidized bed.
Standard pen coater. It has a circular metal pen that tumbles the tablet and pen rotates at 5 to 8 rpm in clockwise motion. The spray gun sprays the solution on tablet bed at a spray rate of 10 to 15 gram per minute. Then the hot air is introduced through drying air duct and hot air penetrates tablet bed and helps in drying tablets. Hot air and vapor exit through the exhaust air duct. Perforated pen coater. It has perforated pen that rotates at 2 to 9 rpm and tumbles tablet. Spray gun sprays the solution on tablet evenly at a spray rate of 50 to 225 gram per minute. Inlet temperature is 45 to 60 degrees centigrade. For drying, hot air is introduced through perforations in drum that dries the tablet. Then exhaust temperature is 42 to 44 degrees centigrade. Keep spray rate and drying rate optimum to prevent cracking or sticking.
This instrument is perforated coater as shown in the video. It consists of a specific pattern of airflow. This is the pattern, how air flows. It consists of a spray gun that sprays the solution on the tablet. Okay, this is overwetting because of overlapping of spray. To avoid that, we do uniform spray of the solution. Now moving on towards baffless, it facilitates the movement of tablets and avoid sticking. And it also consists of a spray gun that sprays the tablet.
Another equipment we have for film coating is fluidized bed coating equipment or air suspension coater. Basically, we call it as fluidized bed because a tablet bed we use in it will act as a fluid. It is a highly efficient coating system in which the coating solution is sprayed on the tablet that have been suspended in columnar chamber. If we're talking about the type of spray used in fluidized bed are of three different types, which are: number one is top spray. Top spray is used for odor and taste masking and when the drug release rates are not that much critical. Then we have bottom spray, which is used for rate controlling polymer and when the dose is low to medium range. And the last one we have is tangential spray, which is used for modified release film coating, and this process is ideal when the dose is medium to high range. Now let's have a glance at the process of fluidized bed equipment. Number one step we have is charging process, in which the tablet is filled in the columnar chambers. Now the air stream is on, will blow the hot air onto the tablets. Now the spring is on, through which a material is sprayed onto the tablets. See, just like this, a material will coat it on each tablet. We can see here a film is coated around each tablet. During the coating process, there are a lot of parameters that can affect our coating quality. So some important parameters of fluidized bed equipment are: number one, we have temperature. So we should be very careful about the temperature ranges used in this process. Number one we have is an inlet temperature, which should be around 55 to 60 centigrade. Then we have bed temperature, which should be around 38 to 40 centigrade. And the last we have outlet temperature, which should be around 44 to 45. And the spray position we use in this process is bottom spray. And if we're talking about the rate of spray is 50 to 225 gram per minute. And the last we have is the movement of tablet, which should be up in upward direction because we use bottom spray. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thanks for watching.